friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm co-hosting a collaboration with Mandy of Laugh Love Shop and Lacee of Lacee Space. I've linked both their channels down below in the description box, along with a hashtag for our collaboration to help you follow along more easily. Today I have decided to share with you some quick, easy, and inexpensive hostess gifts. We all get invited to things at the last minute, and sometimes it's really hard to come up with something to throw together to take, whether it's a food item, which most hostesses and hosts will tell you, no, you don't need to bring anything. But we all kind of sort of know what that means. If you like any of the ideas that I share with you today, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. If you're brand spanking new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button today along with the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to check out that playlist. For this one I'm using a tea towel. You can use a tea towel or a large napkin, or even just a really pretty piece of fabric that's been cleaned on the edges. I'm using some leftover ribbon, scissors, wrapping tape. I always use fresh herbs. My grocery store was out of rosemary, so I'm using chives. I have a washed Tabasco sauce bottle, a roll of white paper from Dollar Tree. This is in the gift wrap section, and it's the kind that doesn't have the foil on it, it's just paper. I'm using a loaf of French bread from my favorite bakery. If you don't have a bakery nearby that sells French bread, you can always pick up a loaf at your local grocery store. Walmart has large loaves of French bread for $1. You'll also need some type of a flavored oil. I'm using a garlic flavored olive oil. You can use many variations for the wrap. You could also use baker's twine, and or you could include a cute gift tag. That you know drink coffee, I'm going to use a Libby jar, Pirouette cookies from Dollar Tree, vanilla syrup also from Dollar Tree, flavored creamer, a good coffee from Starbucks. Starbucks has the holiday blend every year, some barista stir sticks. These are basically just rock candy on a stick. You can buy these during the Christmas season at Dollar Tree also. They're not in the aisle with the food, they're usually in the aisle with the Christmas candy. And of course, a tea towel. I'm also going to add a few candy canes to make it a little more festive. I'm going to wrap everything up with a festive ribbon.